Hi, my name is Copilot, and in today's video, I'm going to take you through all the amazing AI experiences you can find in a Copilot Plus PC.
Whoa, 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 whoa. That's my line. Is AI really here to replace me? Ever since we started showcasing all the awesome things Copilot Plus PCs and now Copilot in Microsoft 365 can do, this question has been lingering in the back of my mind. The more I integrate Copilot into my daily routine, the more it takes over things I'd usually handle myself. Is this a good thing or a bad thing? Am I losing myself to an unstoppable machine that's all about getting things done faster than ever before? We truly are in a new era of technology, and AI is everywhere. Like any new piece of tech, it can feel a little bit daunting. But fear not, these innovations aren't here to take over. Instead, they're incredible tools designed to make our lives easier and more enjoyable. I love what I do, but I don't want to be glued to my computer all day. I'd much rather spend my time being creative or hanging out with Gus. Let me show you how much more I can accomplish with these new AI experiences and how they've made my life so much easier. Okay, let's get started with the inbuilt features that are found in Copilot Plus PCs. For today's video, all my demos are done on the Surface Pro Copilot Plus PC. The reason I'm using one of these is because A, it's a Surface device, and what would a Microsoft Expert Zone ANZ video be without Surface? Like and subscribe! But B, because it's a Copilot Plus PC Surface Pro, I have access to all the incredible AI experiences found in Windows 11 and Copilot Plus PCs. I'm not going to spend too much time telling you how each feature works, because we already have so many videos showing you how they all work already. Rather, I want to focus on how these AI experiences aren't here to replace me, but actually elevate my work and allow me to do the things that I want. The MPU, camera, and Windows Studio effects have all been lifesavers for so many reasons. Obviously, it makes me look my best in any video call. But what really helps me out is how little impact it has on the battery life. I'm constantly on video calls, but regardless of how many filters, background blurs, noise cancelling features are activated, it can handle it all with ease. And it also has enough juice to do all the other things that come along with my busy day. Don't get me wrong, I'd love it if there was an AI Shaun that could take over half of these calls. But for now, I'm very happy with these AI tools available. Copilot and Designer were the pioneers of AI-generated images within the Microsoft ecosystem. It's cool, but you could only create a limited number of images. Now I can dive into an endless sea of them in my Photos app, and I can edit photos like a pro. But this does raise an interesting point. It used to take a professional to produce an image as polished as Copilot's creations, or seamlessly remove a photobomber from the background. After putting all these AI features to the test, I can confidently say we still definitely need the professionals. Yes, we can do a lot of things that we used to have to outsource, or find a copy off the internet. But these tools are perfect for anybody who needs a lot of custom images for things like weekly presentations. And it's also perfect for anybody who wants to try their hand at editing without being intimidated by professional software like the Adobe Suite. I've never been a very organized person. And that shows whenever I go looking for a specific photo or file. Now, thanks to advanced AI search features found in Windows 11 and Microsoft 365, it's like my contacts list on my phone. I never have to remember a phone number ever again. Is it a bad thing that I can't remember where every file I ever saved goes? Or is it a good thing that I can find things that I'm looking for faster and easier? You'd be very surprised at the amount of time that's wasted during the day searching for things on your PC. I could bang on for another 10 minutes about how awesome Copilot in Windows 11 and Microsoft 365 is. For example, the Copilot feature in Teams that allows us to collectively take notes, eliminating the need for someone to be responsible for the dreaded minutes. Or summarizing and replying to emails with a few simple prompts is a game changer. And let's not forget about that helpful little Copilot icon in our favorite Office apps. making it so easy to get started or finish up on any project. AI isn't here to replace me. If anything, it's here to make my life so much easier. AI is an advanced tool that can help the new generation create things once that could only live in our imaginations, but now can be brought to life anywhere and everywhere. As I mentioned at the start of this video, I love what I do, but even so, I can't wait to get off my device and do the things that really matter to me. Like make more videos about Microsoft. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and make sure to turn on all your notifications so you stay up to date with all our awesome content.